Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have received some happy mail from Luisa. So I'm gonna open the box and we're gonna get into it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, can I get it in frame? Look at this. So beautiful. Look at this. I love it. This is that gorgeous velvet fluffy bow from Dollar Tree. Okay, let me move this over. Let's get into this craziness. Put this right here. And my beautiful card. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll come right back. Okay, that was too funny. Thank you so much, Luisa. Look at her gorgeous card. Oh my goodness, I love that. So I'm not gonna read that on here, but thank you so much, girl. You're so generous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I knew it. This crazy lady. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Luisa. You are too sweet. Oh my God. Look it. Oh, the blingy bling. This is madness, I tell you. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I've never seen this at our Dollar Tree here. I've not even seen the cat, which they usually have. Look at this mermaid skeleton. Oh my God. I should hang this on my craft door. That would freak my husband out. Oh my God. That is so cute. And look at this gorgeous mix. Look at that. Orange, black, yellow, gold. Oh my gosh. Love it. No, she didn't. Oh my goodness, this woman. Look at her. Oh my God, Luisa. Oh, this is so crazy. Happy birthday to me. She said it was a belated birthday Halloween present. She didn't have to. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at her poop. Look at her poop. That is too cute. It's the purple poop people. The purple poop people. That is so cute. Oh gosh, she gave me some orange mesh with the glitter. This woman is so generous. Oh my God. Look at the kitty. I'm gonna name it Haley. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How cute. What is this? Ooh, Halloween fabric, you guys. What is she sending here? Oh, it's heavy. What? This is gorgeous fabric. Is this the one from Dollar Tree? Look! She made a freaking... Oh, that is so pretty. So this is a shaker globe. And it's got the witches flying in the background. And she's got some black trees here. That is adorable. With the gold snow globe. Oh my gosh. Look at her little ghosty. It's got a pail. Oh my God, it's some shades. I can't. And it says, "You are gold, baby. Solid gold." Oh, that's so cute. I'm going to put that here on my table. Wow. I love the fabric too. That is so pretty. I mean, if haunted houses could be pretty, right? And then it's got the ghost on the background. Wow. I'm so excited. She got me the haunted home. Oh my God. And it's purple. I didn't see this sign. I haven't seen this one. That's cute. Yes. Yes. Yes, girl. Yes. Oh my gosh. What? She got some, some bling, some mermaids, some cherries. some crosses. Oh, how pretty. Wow. So pretty. Thank you so much, Luisa. Oh, girl. Girl. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. Look at them bugs with them surfboards. Surfboard. Surfboard. What the heck? What the heck? Holy smithers. This is, oh, the sprinkles. Watermelon. Oh, it smells good. Oh, smell that. And then she's got flamingos. Oh, look at those dots. They're huge. Okay, so mind you, this is sugar, but Christian's Crafty Adventures uses this in her shakers, and they work perfect. They do not get messed up, guys. Thank you, Luisa. Oh my gosh, whole bags of sugar. I might have to split it and put half in my kitchen. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, it's a happy birthday. These have not come to my Dollar Tree here. It says friend. Oh, that's so cute. And it's got some of the, these are new flowers at the Dollar Tree, and they are called laser cut craft icons. Oh my gosh, I swear her Dollar Trees, they get everything. They get everything. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh, this one says celebrate, and you get 3 of these. You get 2 of these each design, 2 of each design in this one and this one. Oh, that's so cute. And same here, this is the fall version. You got the leaves, that's so cute. And this one says amazing. You're amazing. Oh my God, oh my God. Look at what she did. Look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I have to find a project to work with these and put these on there. Oh my goodness. So that one's the bluish, blue turned pink scales. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So, so pretty. And then there's silver. I don't think this one changes. It's just silver. How pretty is that? Now it's not pink, it's just picking up the, or is it pink? I'm wrong. It is pink. It is pink. Look at that. Pink to silver. It is pink. Oh my gosh. My eyes be fooling me. Wow. Luisa. What are you doing, woman? Oh my goodness. Ah, she shared some with me. The gold and silver. I've never seen this at our party section in our Dollar Tree. I've not seen those. And those are great for the rosettes. I'm gonna make some. I gotta make some of those. She made some with it too, so she did it on live. And she shared some leaves with me and some green dots. These are super cute for Halloween and then also for fall. So is this. Oh my goodness, woman. So many. What? Thank you so much. For my birthday. It's my birthday. Well, it's not my birthday anymore, but she sent it to me. Oh my God. Look at this. This is the Creatology. I think this is Michael's. I might be wrong. Is it Michael's? I have no clue. It might be Dollar Tree. I don't know. But look at the Nomies. Home, sweet home. That's cute. And then you have some sunflowers. Oh my gosh, look at the worm. It's too cute. Oh my goodness. Look at all the butterflies. Uh-oh. Eggplant. Eggplant, anyone? Eggplant, anyone? Okay, I'll stop. And I think it just repeats. Yes, girl. Thank you so much. This is so awesome. You are so generous, Luisa. And here's the guilty party of them all. She gifted it to me, her little sidekick from Tim Holtz. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Girl. Oh, I will put it to good use. Yes, yes, yes. And the last but not least is this gorgeous coffin. Never made it to my Dollar Tree. No, she didn't. What? Ah! Okay, I love the little purple pen. She got all the kitties on there. Of course. What a perfect combination. Oh my goodness. She sent me her glue gun projects. Oh my goodness. I mean, I don't know how she does it, but she gets it so perfect. These are gorgeous, and the colors that she has are perfect for some of the collections that are out right now. Oh my God, look at these crossbones. Oh my goodness. And the beautiful heart. Oh, look at there's a little heart for the hole. Purple bats. I love this. Okay, can you see the color blending? So I love when you have to change your glue sticks out and the color marbleized like that. It's so pretty. But look at him. Oh my goodness, look at how cute he is with the pretty little pink nose. Oh my goodness. I know, I'm ridiculous. And he's got holes on the top of his hat, so you could put a jump ring in there and dangle him. Let me see if I can do this. Oh, I'm trying to show you all. This is gorgeous. Look at this tombstone. She did it so perfect. So she has to get her glue gun into the deepest part of the mold and put the white in there and then go back in and fill it with the black. And look at how thick that is. Wow, that's a lot of glue sticks. I love it. Love it. And you know, just glue this down with hot glue. It'll stick. Or you could put a hole in it or a jump ring or whatever. Look at this black coffee cup. Oh my God. Oh, excuse me. That is beautiful. Look at her. Oh my God. These are some great sizes, and you got a hole in there. These are made for resin keychain dangles, but look at how cool these came out. Oh my God, look at that. Look at her hair. I mean, not her hair, her headband, bandana. Too cool. It's a bandana. Look at all those details. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She did so many. Oh my gosh. Me too. Once you start doing the glue gun thing, it's hard to stop. And then you turn around and you look and you're like, oh my God, what am I going to do with all this? But yeah, just add it to the dangles, guys. They work perfect. Oh my gosh. Look at her crossbones. Oh. And the keys. Yes, girl, yes. Gosh, did you give me all your, oh my goodness. Look at them. There's like bike riders. I'm in the motorcycle gang. So funny. Oh my God. These are so cool. And the box itself is awesome. Oh my gosh. I was hunting for it in my Dollar Tree, but they didn't have it. So yeah, there's that. Oh my God. Thank you, Luisa, for sharing this with me. This is so awesome. Like, I can't wait. I'm going to be using these in some projects. Oh yeah. I already put away Halloween, but girl, with all this, I'm ready to pull it all back out. Heck yeah. I don't know how she fit all this in here, but my brain is telling me to put like and like together. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna fit the way I'm doing it. I don't know how she did it. Throw it in there. That is so cool. And you know what? The good thing is the lid is not flat. So, you know, when you see something like standing out like that, Oh, look at that heart. Did I even miss that? I did miss the heart. And then it's a thick lid. So yes, Luisa. OMG, girly. You sent me so many. Oh my God. I really have to get in here and really work with these items because yeah, awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Luisa. Oh my God. You guys, don't forget, go check out My Crafty Boutique on YouTube. Subscribe, hit her notification bell because we do Wacky Wednesdays over there and you're not going to want to miss it because we have other YouTubers joining in on the fun, and it's just hilarious. You gotta subscribe, hit the bell, and do the same with my channel because we do it on my channel sometimes too. So you don't want to miss out. Hit that bell and I'll see you all on the next video. Thank you, Luisa. Bye.